Want to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC? Getting that this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements error? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to bypass the Windows 11 hardware checks, so you can install Windows 11 on older computers in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Before we begin, open Google Chrome and download the two files you'll need. Download the latest Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's official website. Download the latest version of 7Z from its official website. Once both downloads are complete, open Command Prompt from the Windows Setup screen. Press Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt. From here, you can navigate to the Windows installation media or other folders if needed, depending on the task you're performing. That's how you can install Windows 11 on many unsupported PCs using one of the easiest methods available. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11, Windows Server, PowerShell, and IT administration tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.